prepare your emergency bag. Inside your emergency bag, you have your toiletries. You have your lighter. You have your candles. You have your emergency cell phone and battery extra charge. Your power bank. Then you have your toiletries. You have for your ears, you have lotion. Okay, your medicine, the one you need to take every day. Your water, you bring your water. And you bring your groceries, your canned goods, dried seeds, anything not perishable. Be sure you have salt and sugar, but avoid moist so it will not be spoiled. Thank you and God bless everyone. In Jesus' mighty name, amen.